Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Mama's Best. Today we're going to make a spiced baklava. For our ingredients, here we have a filo pastry sheets, coarsely grounded pistachios, and a finely grounded one. For syrup, we will be using white sugar, honey, lemon, cardamom, cloves, vanilla, rose water, cinnamon, and butter. We will be melting this butter later. Let's preheat our oven at 140 degrees Celsius. And while that's waiting, we'll start our syrup. We'll add 1 cup of water into our pan, and then a honey, then sugar, cinnamon, and then our rose water, lemon, we have the cardamom and the cloves, and then vanilla, just a teaspoon of vanilla. Let's simmer this. Keep it on a low medium heat and let it reduce. And after that, we're going to sieve this to remove that seeds and cardamom cloves. We are going to melt this butter into our microwave for just a minute. This butter will be used to brush every filo pastry that we're going to layer on the dish. For our baklava, we'll be using 8 layers at the bottom, filling in the middle, and 8 layers on top. Okay, let's start trimming our filo pastry on the dish that we're going to use. Here is our filo pastry, ready to use. Now, let's start assembling our baklava. First, we have to brush the bottom of the dish. And place our first sheet of filo pastry. Then brush with butter on top. Then second pastry. We're gonna repeat this process for each layer of filo pastry. And now it's time to put our coarsely grounded pistachios. We'll add a teaspoon of sugar on top. Let's continue the upper layer. Lastly, brush the top with butter. That's it. Now we are going to slice it. Remember, at 140 degrees, bake this between 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. And now let's go back to our syrup. The consistency is now perfect. So nice smell. All we need to do is just to sip this here. And let's pour that back to the pan while waiting for our baklava to bake. Alright, 25 minutes is done. And here is our baklava. Wow. Look, it's perfect. Now we're gonna leave it to cool for 10 to 15 minutes before pouring in our syrup. It's time to pour in our syrup. For my baklava, I like to finish it with the finely grounded pistachio nuts, so that when the syrup hardens and settles, the pistachio will stick on top. And it's a nice presentation too. Beautiful. And here is our spiced baklava. Once again, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. Until my next video, have a nice day. Bye-bye.